Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to my lovers all over the world. My name is Lizzie Anjorin. Yalaje of Wusi. You see, I'm here to explain one or two things. You see, my industry, film industry, is an industry that is very tough for anybody to make it. And I believe Ori of Felariga is grace. We have people out there, paying for what we've got on a platter of gold. I want to address Toyin Aimako. Toyin, I called you a bastard and people don't understand why I called you a bastard. You are a bastard and I'm repeating it. You are a bastard, Toyin. Because if anybody in that industry could groom fan base to attack our fellows in that industry, such person is a bastard and evil. You see, a lot of people have been complaining about you, Toyin. But I never believed it. Until my own happened, I never believed it. Toyin, you have such fans and you cannot come out during issue in South Africa. Toyin, you have this kind of fans. You've not been able to help any of your colleagues. Toyin, you can attack me. You said maybe I'm being jealous of your success. Láàrin èmi àti ẹ, mi ò sọ àwọn ará àta tó ń parọ́ fún. Ó mọ̀ pé tí ò bá sí industry tó pa wá pọ̀, wàá kọ lẹ́tà tó mẹ́wàá kó tó pàdé ní Astagfirullah. Toyin, you are a bastard. I will repeat it. It takes a bastard to behave the way you are behaving. Look at me very well. I have a good mind. I don't bring people down. I love people. If anybody gets into my knives or something, I shout. Even if I'm fighting you, if anybody wants to give you business, I will give you. Because who am I to stop something that could put food on your table? Toyin, this industry, it's hard for some people to even put food on the table of the family. This industry, Toyin, have you forgotten how people used to gather for our people when they are sick? Have you forgotten? Ori of Felariga. So now all you could do is to attack your fellows with your fan base. You said I'm being envious of your success, Toyin. Do you have a car? Do you have a house? Astagfirullah. Toyin, you have nothing. Ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé ilé alágbo ọmọ ló bímọ sí. Toyin, it took you 10 days to announce the arrival of your new baby. Because o need láti lọ ya costume lọ́wọ́ costumier láti ṣe photo shoot. Tó ń parọ́ kiri pé o bímọ sí London, o ṣe gbọ́ o ṣàwo. Toyin, how many people attacked you on that? Toyin, it takes a bastard like you to do that. You've been lying. But Toyin, I have never come to your page. I've never talked down on you. You are a failure of your success. Yomi kò ní gbogbo àwọn set yẹn mi ò sí ńbẹ̀. Kí ló ní? Astagfirullah. Oh, ní kankan now. Astagfirullah. Èmi tí mo bẹ̀ sọ mi ní kankan. But I will never ever in my life accusing my fellow people. Toyin, o tí kọ́lé náà. O tí ra mọ́tò. O lè mi jealous ẹ. Ọmọ tó bí grandchild èmi ni. Torí ọmọ tèmi tó wá kó fẹ́ bímọ no gbọ́dọ̀ ti gbọ́ ọmọ mẹ́rin lọ́wọ́. Gbàgbé ṣòkòtò tá fi ń deceive ara wa. You see, one thing about me is that I mind my business and everybody can witness to that. That industry, Toyin, láàrin èmi àti ẹ, a mọ̀ pé kò sówó níbẹ̀. So tó bá jẹ́ pé èmi nìwọ, I will groom those fans to do business. When I started my business, I had just 10,000 followers. Within 2-3 years, alhamdulillah today. And let me tell you something. You will need me one day. Likewise, I will need you. If you do think about that, forget my ariwo, blah, 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 because I have pure heart. If anybody is not doing something right with you, Tony, you can come out and say this and move on. But you going back, attacking them, it's evil. As young as I am, Tony, I've been able to groom myself, groom some people in this kind of economy, Tony, to earn a living. And all you could do is to bring yourself down, not me. Iṣẹ́ tíátà ò fàbòsí fà. Tó bá ń ṣe tíátà tó bá ń fàbòsí kún àdè máa tẹ̀ ẹ́ mọ́lẹ̀. Ẹni tó hùwà èpè tá wá ń ṣàdúrà fún, èpè ló máa bá. Ẹni tó wá hùwà àdúrà tá ń ṣépè fún, Ọlọ́run ò ní fi ijọ́ kankan yọ àdúrà kúrò lọ́rọ̀ ẹni yẹn. A lot of people will be surprised that Lizzy Anjorin, she is this, she's blessed. It's because my heart is pure. If I have anything with you, I will just come, blah, blah, ó dẹ̀ ti tán síbẹ̀. I will never bring you down behind you. I will never do that. Tóyìn, onímọ̀jọ̀wú ẹ̀, jọ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Baby mama ni ẹ́, baby mama ni mí. O ò tí ì nílé. Forget your deceit and lies you tell your followers and your fans. Èmi ò wá bí láti járó ẹ̀. But jumping up and down, calling me haters, mò ń jowú ẹ̀ for what? I don't know. Mi ìmọ̀ tó ti gbé kalẹ̀ o. You see, you were saying, Tóyìn, èmi ò wá bí láti wá járó ẹ̀. Forget your lies and deceit lifestyle. You see, who lives in glass house must not throw plank. Ṣé o fẹ́ pé stone ni ó kàn máa ní spot but plank will scatter everything. This is me, Lizzy Anjorin. I'm a lane minder. I'm a one-man mopo. Everybody knows that. Èmi jowú ẹ̀ for what? Why? O nílé, o ní mọ́tò. Baby mama ni ẹ́, baby mama ni mí. Mi ò ìwọ ń sọ pé they should leave you. You should breastfeed your child. Tóyìn, you want to feed your own child, but you are busy bringing down another. Ó ṣe mí láàánú fún ẹ. Kò bá má jẹ́wọ́ Tóyìn. You see, film industry is very, very sensitive. Because ilé ayé yìí, ẹ gbàgbé pé mi máa ṣe papapapa, ọkàn tèmi mọ́. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself, Tóyìn Ayémàkọ. Your glorified fan. As in a woman you publicly celebrate on your page, DM'd another blogger to bring down your own fellow artist, and you still have the guts to come say, mo lọ pe lawyer wo Tóyìn, ìwọ lówó lawyer, astagfirullah Ọlọ́run, ìwọ lówó lawyer Tóyìn, níwọ tó jẹ́ pé ilé alágbo ọmọ ló bímọ sí, ó take ní 10 days kó tó lè sọ pé ó bímọ, because o need láti lọ rent costume, láti ṣe photo shoot, láti parọ́, dẹ̀ tún járó ẹ̀, ta lèmi láti járó ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè járó èèyàn. Ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé nígbà tó ń dá 20,000 fún ẹ, wọ́n ní láti gbé placard 1 million pé wọ́n dá àṣẹ lówó. Tóyìn, you should groom those followers. You have a fantastic followers. But you should groom them for business. Because èmi àti ẹ mọ̀ pé kò sí nǹkan kan ní film industry. Tóyìn, má bẹ̀dẹ̀ jẹ́ kó tó dẹ̀dẹ̀ o. Yes, you are still coming to the business world because we need business to survive as an artist. I will deal with you as if I will still need you. And that is why I don't bring people down. And I want to tell you something. For the fact that when I heard about your new joy, I was in Hajj. We're going from Mecca to Medina. I was so happy. Tóyìn, mo tún ṣàdúrà fún ẹ. Ọlá pé mo ṣàdúrà fún ò sí ń bẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run rí mi. Gbogbo òrùngbà ẹ lórí mi. Á dẹ̀ máa jẹ́ tiẹ̀ tọmọ ẹ̀. àti tàwọn òṣìṣẹ́ ẹ̀. èròǹgbà tèmi náà kẹ̀dẹ̀ lórí ẹ Tóyìn á máa jẹ́ tèmi náà àtọmọ mi. I have a very good heart, and that is the secret behind me, the major secret behind me. The other time when I was talking about the other colleague, what I was fighting for was ẹ jẹ́ kẹ́ni tó bá máa gbé fake life lo fake life. Wọ́n ní ẹ kọ́lé ẹ gbé sí gbá ẹ ká, and I was like àwọn English náà ń kọ́lé wọ́n ń gbé sí. That is why people are rating them above us. So let us do our own too. ẹni tó bá fẹ́ gbé fake life ẹ jẹ́ ó gbé. As at then when I was fighting, gbogbo èbú tán bú mi oore ni mo tún fi rí gbà wọ́n. Nítorí pé ẹ̀yin ń bú mi ni ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ fi ń bú mi ẹ̀yin ló yé mo yí Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé inú kan ni mo ní. As at then mi ò tí ì ṣe bíbà. Bóyá mo tiẹ̀ máa ń yọ̀ fáwọn olóríire lọ́lọ́run kan ṣe ń gbàdúrà mi, I don't know. You should be ashamed of yourself. You said I call you a bastard. Yes, you are a bastard because your own father denied you before he died. Tóyìn, I wish people see the messages you sent to me. Èpè ẹ má lè mi ṣe pé mi ò ṣe pé mi ń ṣeré pa ni èmi ṣe pé nìyẹn orí yín bàjẹ́ orí yín èmi ń ṣeré pa ni onítíátà lèmi Tóyìn. Gbogbo èpè tó bọ́ sẹ́yìn keyboard tó ṣẹ́ pátápátá Tóyìn gbogbo ẹ̀ ló máa jẹ́ ti àti tìdílé ẹ̀. Àwa náà máa ń rí sọ tó bá ti ṣiṣẹ́ ibi wà lọ sápamọ́. People have been complaining about this thing but kò yé mi, I don't know because kò ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi until you attacked me. On a good day Tóyìn gbàgbé ẹ̀ ká yọwọ́ industry tó bá pàdé mi wọ́n nà wọ́n ó máa mú kúnlẹ̀ ni gbàgbé ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ìwọ ló wà nírú ipò táwa wà yìí ò ní mí Tóyìn Ọlọ́run mọ ohun tó ń ṣe alhamdulillah gbogbo nǹkan tí n bá sọ tó bá jọ ọmọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ astagfirullah. Kí ló dé ń jẹ́ kí ká máa gúnra wa lójoojúmọ́ òun ni pé I want peace, I want love. I don't want pé kéèyàn kan máa gé ẹnìkan kéèyàn kan máa ṣe gbá ẹnìkan. Maybe I should tell you what happened when I travel. Èmi nìkan kan náà ń dá dúró. They stop other Nigerians. But being a celebrity, because when they swap your card, it will appear that you're an actress or an actor. They will stop you. They will take you into their office. They will ask you, what do you do for a living? Blah, 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 blah. And I asked one of this immigration, I said, why are you doing this to Nigerians? He says, as a matter of fact, we receive a lot of emails from Nigerians that so person is coming, stop him or her. Our people are carrying drugs. Nigerians are carrying drugs. Nigerians are into money laundering. That Nigerian complains too much. That do you know how many emails we receive on Nigerians every day? That we purposely even send some people back. I was shocked. Lára àwọn tẹ́ jẹ́ kó dá padà yìí ẹni tó ta lé tó ta ọ̀nà tó fẹ́ fi lọ lóyìnbó wà láàrin wọn. Tóyìn, look at what happened in South Africa a few days ago. None of your fans, your followers, none of them could stand Tóyìn the way you attacked me, the way you attacked other artists. If you've been able to gather such strength to assist Buhari, this country will be a better place. Tóyìn, those your fans, those your fans, your followers, if they can be able to buy your lipstick your kankan Tóyìn, ayé ẹ máa ní flavour jù báyìí lọ. I have my own child, you have your own Tóyìn. These people are young. You know, some of them won't be able to use their email. Some of them won't be able to travel out again. Some of them won't be able to use their life because of the AIDS, the kind of job you've invested in their bloodstream, because of the kind of job you've invested in their bloodstream. Tóyìn, if you want a better life, you want a good life, you don't destroy people. I will come out and tell you, your publicist is a failure. Is a failure. And you said you won't come to gutter. Tóyìn, you can cut someone like me a gutter of money, a gutter of success, a gutter of zero to hero. Thank you for not coming down to my gutter, because you are not meant here. We don't want people like you in this gutter. And I pray to Almighty Allah to dig this gutter very well. But congratulations to you. You that you stay in mansion of poverty, mansion of failure. Tóyìn, you live in mansion of miserable. Lẹ́nu ẹ̀ sí mi pé wò ní stoop solo Tóyìn tó bá wá 100,000 odidi lákàntì ńkọ́ kí ló rò pé ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. As a matter of fact, I deserve respect from you and all Nigerians. If with my age I can be able to stand on my feet and groom myself to be a business person, I deserve better than you than to accuse me as a drug pusher. Tóyìn, I challenge NDLA to get blood sample of èmi àti ẹ within 24 hours. You are a crackhead. You are evil. You are not evil in disguise. Èṣù gan rí ẹ ó bá ọ. I can't imagine one of my followers going to a blogger to bring down my colleague, and I'll still come out and glorify that person. Tóyìn, kí ni mo rà nígbà ẹ̀? Kì í ṣe ìwọ nìkan. Gbogbo yín kí ni mo rà nígbà yín? I told you my story. I explained to you, Tóyìn. When you heard my story, you sent someone to me that you never knew I've passed through this kind of ṣé ilé ayé ta máa gbé lọ náà rè ní industry tó jẹ́ pé téèyàn kan bá sick a máa ní láti dáwó fún. Ṣùgbọ́n ǹjẹ́ béèrè pé kí ló fa sickness yìí? Ìlara yìí náà ni. Tóyìn, ìkà ló máa rojọ́, ìkà kan ló máa dà. You can have your fans like you've been attacking me simply because I did not celebrate you. So have you ever celebrated me? I celebrated the Iyabeji in our industry. Did she celebrate me? Did you see any of my fans' comments on her page? You don't buy me phone. You don't buy me data. I don't know you. I only met you maybe once or twice in my life, or 3 times. But I see you as a sister. I stood by you. I can't be telling people things you've sent to me. It will be even petty to show people. Ní kọ̀kọ̀ ni wọ́n send ẹ̀ sí mi. Ní kọ̀kọ̀ ló ṣe bí fún mi. Ṣùgbọ́n ní gbangba láti máa fi ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sìn. Àdàbí tó bá mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ lóko tó ní. Ẹ máa ní mo ṣépè. I wish people can see àwọn nǹkan tó máa ń fi ránṣẹ́ sí page àwọn èèyàn. I wish people can know the way you package the seed, lies and everything against people tó ń ṣe dáadáa. Yorùbá ẹ ronú. Ẹ kàn imagine tá bá pín lé ní ṣé irú ayé tá fẹ́ máa gbé náà lélẹ̀. I've been able to help the society to bring some people of poverty, even tó bá yẹ pé 10,000 ni mo ń sọ fún wọn lóṣù. I've been able to, to do something in the society. I deserve respect from you and Nigerians. I deserve it. I deserve prayer. I posted a video where there was fire incident in my hotel. You said you are a nursing mother. Tóyìn, do I deserve what you're doing to me since I've come back? Lọ́yà tó sọ pé ó fẹ́ rán wá yẹn, ó ṣe kúkú lọ sọ́dọ̀ adájọ́ straight. Your publicist. You guys are watching Tóyìn. You have your own child. You have your children. Ẹni tó bá fẹ́ jèrè ọmọ kò ní wo ọmọ lọ́mọ kó sọnù sáyé bí Tóyìn ṣe ń ṣe. Tóyìn, I want you to divert the strength of your followers to do business. I want you to divert it into your business. I had just 10,000 followers when I started my business. But with that 10,000 followers, alhamdulillah, Tóyìn, ìwọ kan náà ló máa sọ̀rọ̀ blue tick. Jọ̀ọ́ báwo ni blue tick? Báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ owó? Ìwọ kan náà ló máa sọ pé o ní followers. Báwo ni followers ó ṣe jẹ́ oúnjẹ? Followers that could not help you to deliver your baby in a better hospital. Alhamdulillah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. For the fact that inú mi ń dùn sí ẹ, mo ń ṣàdúrà fún ẹ. Tí mi ò bá wá lò ẹ, ṣó mi pé mo jọ́ta ẹ. Tóyìn, Tóyìn, tí n bá lò ẹ, ṣé wọ́n lò mí rí ni? Àti pé ó lò mí mi ò lò ẹ. Àní kú ànírùn gbogbo wa, àní kú ànírùn. o kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ máa ṣe tẹ́ ní jèrè gbogbo yín pátápátá. And to the youth, it's good to have a role model, and it's good to follow your role model instruction. But Tóyìn, ibi tó ń bá lọ ó ti bá dé level. You see, people will never understand this thing because I never understand this as well. Mo máa wò pé ẹ fi Tóyìn lẹ̀ kí ló ń ṣe until I have my own share of the cake. Tóyìn, ó ti bá dé level débi pé wọ́n á máa pàdé àwọn ọmọ mi, wọ́n á dẹ̀ máa para wọn sí ẹ lọ́rùn. Ìwọ tó ń destroy ọmọ lọ́mọ for your own selfish interest. Ṣé o mọ nǹkan tó máa gbẹ̀yìn ọmọ tiẹ̀? Tóyìn, don't dig me too much. Don't dig me. It's God doing, it's not me. Bó ṣe ń wò mí, èmi náà ní àbùkù tèmi o. Wo, èmi náà ní ti tèmi. You don't want people to talk about your past. But Tóyìn, you are making life miserable for people. People that did nothing to you. People that mean no harm. And you are killing them. Tóyìn, wàá dẹ̀ pa àwọn èèyàn sáyé tán. Àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́, wàá dẹ̀ ṣojú fún. Astagafula Tóyìn. Ó yẹ kó ti jù báyìí lọ check ara ẹ̀. Tíátà ò fẹ́ ọ̀tẹ̀. Ẹ̀dá tó bá ń ṣe tíátà tó bá ń fi ọ̀tẹ̀ kún, tíátà á dẹ̀ máa tẹ onítọ̀hún mọ́lẹ̀. Yes, look at me very well. In as much as tó bá ṣe ń wá tó wà àtàkì mi, mo máa ṣe fídíò. Tóyìn, tó bá ṣe ń wá tó bá àtàkì mi, mo máa ṣe fídíò. Tí ò bá sí pé publicist ò gbọ́n, a civil matter táyé pé bírú àwọn ìlú kan náà máa gbàpò tí Fẹ́mi àti ẹni àjọ máa jókòó. Èmi Tóyìn ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́ọ̀yà, tó bá nídìí owó àmà fún ẹ lówó kó fi pe lọ́ọ̀yà, ó ò rí jàjẹ́. Ẹni tó bá máa jẹ́yàn láyé òkè nírúwà tó níyẹn. You people are looking at me, Lizzy. Some like, is it that this is small business? Is it that small business that fetches out this money? No, àánú ni mo rí gbà. It's not the business. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ rí tí èmi kọ́ ni mo ní. Ọlọ́run ni nípasẹ̀ ìwà. And I want to tell you another secret. If I'm not doing well in my business, I won't achieve this little. See, making it in business is not a child's play. Imagine o ta lipstick gan o rita. Check my page. I told my followers to come up with adverts. I think you should engage your followers in such manner or in that way. Tóyìn, you should. You need it. O ta lipstick o rita. Àti jẹ́yàn láyé o gbọ́dọ̀ nínú burúkú sọ́mọlàkejì ẹ. If you want to make it, I mean Nigeria of today, if you want to be able to eat 3 times a day, o gbọ́dọ̀ lo bí sọ́mọlàkejì ẹ, o gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe kà fún yàn. You are saying bring on evidence. I should bring on evidence. Tóyìn. Imagine tó bá jẹ́ pé ará ilé yín kan ni ọmọ iṣẹ́ tó ń kọ́ṣẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ ló lọ sọ́dọ̀ blogger pé wọ́n fẹ́ báyé ìyá Àìná jẹ́. Tí ará ilé yín yẹn tó dẹ̀ sì ń glorify irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀. Ní dákẹ́, mo dẹ̀ dákẹ́ láti jọjọ́. Ṣé rí blogger tí ó ń kọ story, we keep blaming this lover. Olórí burúkú astagfirullah. Wọ́n ní tálàǹgbá ò bá lanu, tógìrì ò bá lanu, aláǹgbá ò lè wọbẹ̀. Ẹjọ́ tẹ́yìn ò bá fún this lover ní story, ṣé o máa kọ story ni Tóyìn? And let me tell you another thing. I want you to stop this because ìtìjú bẹ́ẹ̀, you will feel like killing yourself. Few days ago, you slapped your mother-in-law. Mo bẹ gbénulé. Àwọn ọmọ tó ń kó jọ láti fi ṣàìdá, àwọn náà náà ń sọ̀rọ̀ síta Tóyìn Àìmákù. Stop it. That is why I don't like grooming people and I will never groom people for evil. Because tí wọ́n bá ti lọ báyìí, tó bá yán máa padà, wọ́n máa face wọn kankan fúnra ẹ̀. They will face you. So stop it. Because I love you. stop it. Tóyìn ṣé wọ nìkan ni gbogbo àwọn tó máa ní ìdìrànlọ́wọ́ lẹ́yìn ọ̀la ló ti bájà tán yìí. Tóyìn +2 3 -4 èèyàn mélòó lèmi àti ẹ ní issue ní industry tó wá rí tí àwọn fans mi lọ síbẹ̀ tẹ́ni yẹn bá ti post nǹkan tá bá ti jà. If you are close to me, you will know I'm not a troublemaker. I'm a complete gentle person. Ask people with heart of gold. Tabati, ìyẹn go ṣe jà, máa sọ tinú mi fún ẹni because me like àbòsí. I don't like calling people and be reporting you. It's àbòsí, hypocrite. So I will tell you, probably because of my theater blood, people think maybe we are fighting, but once we settle it, it's behind me. Ṣé wọ nìkan ni? Ṣé ọkọ tó fẹ́ lé mi? Ṣé oní tíátà kọ́kọ́ ló ń fẹ́ tọ́jọ́ ń gbélé tẹ́lẹ̀ tí wọn náà fi fẹ́ nísìn? Tóyìn, you claimed a lawyer proposed to you a few months ago, Tóyìn. And baby pregnant 2 + 3, like a year now. Tóyìn, how come your English or your claim level make you lose the lawyer? Astaghfirullah, I have my own. You are a failure. You are a disgrace to womanhood. You are so poor. Calling your colleague, dragging your colleague for she cannot speak good English. We all know qualification of our president. But look at the grace on him. What was qualification of Dangote? Oprah Winfrey. Ìwọ tí ó bá sí pé iṣẹ́ ti bẹ́ẹ̀ múlẹ̀ bí ẹgbẹ́ iṣu ní 2019 ní Nàìjíríà of 2019 ni wọ́n fi òyìnbó bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan kò lè sọ òyìnbó kò ní blue tick ó tún wá ń pọ̀ fún pàyàjọ́. Tóyìn, mo ti fi yá ẹ o, mo ti sọ tinú mi fún ẹ o, tí n bá tún rí àyájọ́ àbí èpè àbí ọ̀rọ̀ kan kó má yẹ kó máa tún wá sunkún o gbọ́ mi kan tí mo sọ. Ìwọ gbóyìnbó ló fòyìnbó ẹ lọ bímọ sí hospital ló fi bímọ sílé alágbo ọmọ. Ìwọ gbóyìnbó astagafurulai ìwọ àfi kó jáwọ́ n tí mo rí nípa ẹ kò lè yé anybody, kò lè yé èèyàn. Tóyìn, kò lè yé wọ́n. Mi ò believe ẹ bó ti wá ó ti groom wings. You become a vampire. Ẹni tó bá ní gbogbo nǹkan tí mo sọ kò sọpọlọ níbẹ̀. Gbogbo ohun tó ṣe fún mi ní kọ̀kọ̀ àti tó ṣe fún mi lẹ́yìn àṣẹlẹ̀ sáwọn náà. People be saying wọ́n ṣépè kì í ṣépè. That is why you have to know why you are supporting someone for evil. That was why I said my wish on you. You should come back to me. It takes someone with good mind, good heart to say that. Tóyìn, and I'm telling you, your wish on me shall go back to you, your child, your great-grandchildren, your family, and to your generation, inshallah. I hope that is not a curse, because ní industry wa yìí tó bá jẹ́ pé ibi ló fẹ́ máa ṣe, Tóyìn, o groom followers àwọn bàbá arúgbó tó wà ní industry wa, o fi àwọn followers yẹn kó máa fi mọ bá ṣe máa ṣe dáadáa fún wọn, o fi àwọn followers yẹn mọ bá ṣe máa mọ àwọn èèyàn ńláńlá. Tóyìn, o fi àwọn followers yẹn help àwọn tó pa ní South Africa. And do you know, Tóyìn, your comments gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe ó pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó ń ṣe ń pa wá ní South Africa, gbogbo wa tó ń hù. Because when they said Nigerians keep sending emails that we should be sending their people back, they are pushing drugs, they are doing this, and that's why we don't check some of their documents, we send them back. I was shocked. Wait, how can someone, I can't imagine myself sitting down and be writing petition, hey, someone is coming here, pada. Show man so Tóyìn, show man so. Okay, so. Okay, so. Okay, so. I would like to stop here, Tóyìn. I would like to stop here. But note, I won't back down. Tóyìn, If you keep attacking me, I'll keep educating you. Yes, I'll keep coming here. I'll be doing this video until you stop. You have to stop. If people know who you are, what you do for a living, I'm afraid. I wasn't afraid of you, but I was just being like, how can a woman groom this kind of terror group to bring down a fellow woman or fellow colleagues instead of you to groom them for business? So I'm expecting your lawyer. Tony, make sure very important. Don't forget, I call on Nigerian daily to take blood sample of both of us and see who is the real crack dead brain among us. Mi ní pé ẹ lọ́mọ ọ̀rọ̀ kírun torí ò ní ràn rárá. Stick up for that. Nínú nǹkan tó lọ́wọ́ ní pé ká protect. Ó ní ká protect orúkọ wa. Not say we should protect our name. He said we should protect our business. He said we should protect our family. He said do not look for trouble. But when they look for your trouble, even Jesus, when they were about doing something nasty in his father's house, he fought them. Mélòó nínú yín lẹ máa gbà kán pé àkọ́bí yín ní gbogbo orúkọ tí wọ́n ń pe ọ̀tá mi láì ṣẹ̀yìn láì ròyìn tí mo dẹ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ lójú méjèèjì. Nǹkan tí mo mọ̀ tó dá mi lójú ni pé kò sí ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ kankan tó máa lọ láláì jìyà. Let me remind you something. This thing you are doing, you only get sympathy from failed set of people like you. Because good people, successful people, people that are working so hard to earn a living in the society, they have people like you hurting them so bad. They could feel the pain. And guess what? Imagine the kind of people that will go against you in the society. And people that can help you. You said my fans. For you to know that you have failed. And you are being followed by failed set of people. They only contributed 50,000 and carried placard of 1 million. Tóyìn, tí n bá sọ orí ọ̀fẹ́ tí mo ti rí gbà fún ẹ nípasẹ̀ kéèyàn máa lónú mímọ́, nípasẹ̀ kéèyàn máa ṣe dáadáa. My story is everywhere. I have my own past. Ọmọ ìyá alámàlà ni mí, orí ọ̀fẹ́ ni mo rí gbà. I've been able to know the goodness of being good, the goodness of being nice, and the goodness of having a good heart. Tóyìn, if you have a good heart, believe me, you will get attracted to successful people. Are you not guys surprised the way I just move? Some say, ó ṣe lówó, mi ò ṣe lówó sáàmà, ẹ lọ béèrè. Mo gbé mọ́tò wọ industry l'Abẹ́òkúta. Ẹ béèrè. As at then, mọ́tò yẹn lè jẹ́ pangolo, but ó dàbí range náà ní ìgbà yẹn. I will not come out and tell you I'm this, I'm that. Imagine if anybody build house in the industry, you guys will tag me. Lizzy, wá wà àwọn ọmọ inú ẹ ló ń kọ́lé yìí o. Ẹ fi ràn Ọlọ́run létí mi. If anybody buy car, una go tag me. Lizzy, come see pikin wey dem born after you dey buy car. Ṣé ìlọ lọ́wọ́? Ojú òkè ń tì yẹn ni. Ẹ rí pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń mock. Ẹ rí pé bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́lọ́run ṣe ń gbé mi ga. Ìdí ni wípé inú tó da ni mo ń sẹ́yìn dáadáa bí mo ń ṣe. Ìdí ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Because it takes a successful minded person to know a fellow in the society. If only you know people that will pick hate on you based on the fact that ele complain don't complain to what complain the whole world will see it with their eyes the way you operate gbogbo ayé ló rí bó ṣe ń ṣe gbogbo èèyàn sórí bó ṣe ń ṣe yẹn gbogbo yẹn fi kọ́mẹ̀ntì lẹ̀ tó ń ṣe yẹn gbogbo àgbáyé ló ń rí ṣòdè rí àwọn tó ti ṣoríire nínú society àwọn náà ní àwọn ẹni ibi tó ń gún wọn lábẹ́rẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ń ṣàìdá fún wọn so wọ́n máa bá ìkànnì ẹ̀ that is why it's good to think twice before you take side it's good to think twice before you attack people will tell you Lizzy Anjorin is Alariwo of Africa but ask people that Imora one-on-one they will tell you she's quiet, she's humble, she's friendly, she's a giver. They will tell you good things about me. It doesn't matter your opinion about me. Your opinion doesn't matter. Láàrin èmi àtọlọ́run mi bá ti gún ẹ gbọ́ mi tí àárín èmi àtọlọ́run mi bá ti gún ẹ̀yin tó kù ní kẹ́ múra nítorí pé kí ni look at the way I walk even tó bá jẹ́ pé oṣó ni tó bá jẹ́ pé oògùn owó ni tó bá yẹ pé cocaine ni tó bá yẹ pé ọkùnrin náà ló kówó fún mi tí mo dẹ̀ wá ń ṣe iṣẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ẹ mọ̀ kọ́lọ́ máa fà lùbáríkà sí i most of you accusing me ẹ ti rí owó tó tówó rí ṣùgbọ́n ìwà tẹ́ ẹ ń wù rèé tí gbogbo ẹ fi yọ̀dá nù mọ́ yín lọ́wọ́ bí ọbẹ̀ ńlá Yorùbá ronú ẹ yí jẹ́ ká máa gbéra wa nọlẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká fi agbára tá a bá ní ká fi gbéra gàgà mo sọ tèmi fún yín ṣé ẹ gbàgbé pé mò ń taṣọ ṣé ẹ gbàgbé pé mò ń talé mo talẹ̀ don't forget I sell clothes nice jewelries wristwatches land house ẹjọ nítorí ọlọ ẹ bá mi ra nǹkan tí mò ń ta ẹ ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ fún yín ajá ò ní kó yín lọ́mọ jẹ mi ò posh ọmọ inú gọ́tà ni mí ò gọ́tà owó ni gọ́tà ti wà gọ́tà àlùbáríkà ni gọ́tà ìfọkànbalẹ̀ ẹlẹ́dàá mi ò dẹ̀ ní jẹ́ kí n jọra mi lójú níwájú Ọlọ́run ṣé tí mi ò bá ti jọra mi lójú níwájú Ọlọ́run if you accuse me of being proud being rude ó pé o kọ̀ lọ́hùn because tó bá jẹ́ pé irú ìwọ ló kọ̀ mí mo ń kọ́tà ayé máa parẹ́ gan-an ẹlẹ́dàá àwọn tí mò ń bọ̀ ẹlẹ́dàá àwọn tí mi mọ́lé wọn rí tí mi mọ̀nà wọn rí nínú àìní ọ̀tá mi tí mò ń ṣe dáadáa fún kò ní jẹ́ kí n ṣubú ọlá inú kan tí mo ní sí gbogbo yín ọlá pé tí n bá gbọ́ nǹkan ayọ̀ nípa yín mo máa ń dunnú mo máa ń ṣàdúrà nínú kọ̀rọ̀ ilé mi lè má post yín o I may not post I may not celebrate you but I will pray for you and I will be happy for you behind my closed door for that alone dandan ní kéré jẹ́ pé mi dọ̀jọ́ alẹ́ èmi Elizabeth ọmọṣọlá pé àkọ́kẹ́ kan ń dègò yénukún mẹ́ dandan ní kéré bá mi kalẹ̀ láyé tèmi tí mo wà mi ò mọ̀ tiẹ̀ bye bye.